Good morning. UPA too seems to have decided to shed inertia and go on the offensive, notwithstanding a nationwide strike against reform measures and impending pullout by Trinamool Congress. The government is reportedly lining up more reform oriented measures in the coming days to try and thwart the opposition's tirade. The Prime Minister is scheduled to address the nation on Friday to explain the centre's rationale behind the recent reforms. The government has already notified FDI in multi brand retail and aviation. The start today will be positive as Asian markets are trading with a positive bias. US stock indices were largely flat while European indices closed lower. Most of the market participants will take the heart from the fact that the government hasn't yielded to political pressure on reforms. The outlook remains cautiously optimistic due to signs of improvement in governance. Still, any meaningful upside from here on hinges on follow up steps from the centre and expeditious execution of reforms announced so far. Some cooling is not ruled out after the recent spike. There is no significant threat to the current uptrend as long as the Nifty holds above 5,450 on a closing basis. Today, we expect main indices to trade sideways while the broader indices could outperform. The FIs were net sellers of Rs 736.7 million in cash segment on Thursday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 3.3 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The FIs were net sellers of Rs 2.4 billion in the FNO segment on Thursday, according to the provisional NSE data. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 10.9 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, while the mutual funds were net sellers of Rs 4.7 billion on the same day, according to the SEBI figures. Moving on to recommendations, the technical call for the day is: we recommend buy on Mphasis above Rs 390 with stop loss placed at Rs 384 and a target price of Rs 402. Our derivative strategy for the day is long Bharti Airtel September futures above Rs 268 for the target price of Rs 278 and a stop loss placed at Rs 263. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.